All right, so it's the beginning of day two, and it looks like we're going to be understanding some data types and manipulating strings. And our end project for the day is going to be creating a tip calculator. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. we are on the final project, and basically what we need to do is create a tip calculator that is able to basically greet the user, ask them what the total bill is, ask them what percentage of the tip they'll like to give, how many people the bill is going to be split between, and then it will tell you how much each person should pay for their portion of the bill. So as you can see here, this is the only scenario they've really given us. So now, and usually they give me like a readme, but I guess we're on our own today. So this is the final project, and this will be the ending of the video. Let's go ahead and jump right into it and get done with day two. Day two of the challenge, almost done. Let's get it. Alright. So we just went ahead and finished our tip calculator. I just went through and made sure there wasn't any bugs. This probably isn't the cleanest written code, but nonetheless it works. So just to go through it with you guys, we'll go ahead and run the code. Alright, now, so the first thing it asks the user is, welcome to the tip calculator. What was the total bill? So say, we're at Roost Chris. Steak is about $60 each. We'll go ahead and say our total bill of 2 is $120. Then next it'll ask you, what percentage tip would you like? Now with Roost Chris, they might, go ahead and make the gratuity. They'll tell you what the gratuity is off rip and just add it onto your receipt, and they tell you 18%. So then next they'll ask you how many people we're splitting the bill with. So that'll be 2 people because we're just on a dinner date for Valentine's Day. And then the program will actually tell you, all right, so each person, if we want to split it down the middle, which we never do, but if you want to split it down the middle, it's $70.80 a person. So just to make sure our code is running right, we're gonna go ahead and run it again with some new numbers. Now this is actually the numbers they gave in the example of what the outcome should look like. So just to make sure our program is doing the correct math, we'll use their example, and if it comes out to the end number that they have, then we know we're in the right spot. So we'll go ahead and it's they used $124.56. They actually use a decimal point. So the trick with the decimal point is I actually had to round the number to the nearest second decimal point. So I went ahead and did that. Hopefully it works. Let's go ahead and check it out. So then they used a 12% tip. I guess their waiter wasn't really popping like that, and then they split it amongst 7 people, right? So on their example, it came out to $19.93, and it also came out to $19.93 for ours as well. I actually want to see if I could add in a money sign. I'd like to add in a money sign just so we can have that. Let me check that real quick. 1, 2, 4, 6, 12, 7. Yep, there we go. Now we actually have a dollar sign, so it actually comes out and tells the user, hey, it's $19.93 on the end. So yep, that's day 2 of the challenge. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed, let me know. Give me some feedback if you want to, but other than that, I'll catch you on day 3 tomorrow.